Visit the idyllic island of Cozumel in Mexico with celebrity cruises. This stunning destination has everything you could want in a tropical getaway, including endless sunshine, white sand beaches, and world-class snorkeling. Immerse yourself in Mexican culture while wandering through the shops near the port or exploring the colorful downtown San Miguel. Foodies will delight at the chance to taste the traditional flavors of Mexican cuisine. Whether you're learning how to make the perfect margarita, sampling different types of tequila at a distillery, or discovering the history of Mexican chocolate making. For a chance at adventure, take a thrilling ATV through the jungle, explore through mystical Mayan caverns and cenotes, or dive into the crystal clear waters to see preserved coral reef structures and swim with friendly dolphins. For a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, take a day trip to visit the majestic ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum. Discover the temples, homes, and palaces where the Mayan people lived in the 13th century. If your idea of heaven is to get as much beach time as possible, soak up the sun at premier resorts with access to pristine white sand beaches that lead to the turquoise water of the Caribbean. No matter where your day leads you, a celebrity cruise to Cozumel offers unlimited opportunities for fun under the sun.